Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another video after a couple months. I think my last video was just a little recap of my old HR, my red HR I had. So just straight into this video. Here's the Nismo I picked up last week. Well, I bought it last week, but I got it this Monday. It came from Washington with only 49,000 miles. I mean, it's wrecked. Obviously, I bought it from Copar. I'll show you the wreck in a minute. So let's get a little quick walk around. I'll show you the interior real quick. The airbags did go off, but I already swapped them thanks to one of my boys. So yeah, the interior is clean. The smell in here smells like if it was new. Seats are in great condition, no rips, nothing. Check the other seat. They took the radio. Here you go. Nismo 1147. The interior is nothing crazy. It has like little carbon bits like that over there. I think that's about it. But yeah, that's it for the interior. Also, this color is not OEM color for this car. I don't know if they did a bad respray or the previous owner just liked orange. I have a feeling he liked orange just because the shift knob is also orange. And it was a good respray because it's not like those cheap resprays that they just paint the outside. They painted everything. So what I mean is, like, all this was resprayed, like, so it was a good paint job, but I'm gonna have to paint it back to OEM color because yeah, red is much nicer. Also came with this carbon wing. Sorry for this huge mess I got back here. This used to be a 370Z, and now it's that. Wheels, Brembos. At least the side skirts are fine. If this car had also bad side skirts, I don't think I would have bought it. Just because that's also very expensive. I think they're like 600 bucks. This is the old bumper. It wasn't this damaged. The driver told me they did all this damage when they were taking the car to him. But either way, it wasn't savable because it was right here. You can see there's a chunk missing right there. But when I saw the pictures, it wasn't like this right here. Like all this right here, you see, it wasn't like that. But I mean, at least I still have the diffuser and this little mesh grill. These mesh grills are 300 bucks each side, which I think that's crazy. I don't know about the diffuser, but I know that's money too. But yeah. Now let's go to the damage. So this car was hit by this side and everything just bent that way. As you can see, I haven't had time to take it apart just because of work. But yeah, I mean, it was hit pretty hard, but to me it's not that crazy. I fixed cars like this before with front end damage like this, and you know, it's whatever. I got two rails I got the two rails from that 350Z to put on these, so it's gonna be a good job. Like my 370 I had, the black one, it had bent. The rails were bent. They're literally one going left and one going right, and I just chopped them off another car and they're welded on, and that's it. I already got a lot of parts for the car. I got the hood. It originally had a carbon fiber hood, which I sold. And then I got the stock hood. I got the radiator support. I got the headlight brackets. What else? I got the radiator fans and the condenser. I need to get fenders. I already have a pillar waiting for me to get picked up. And well, yeah, I need both bumpers. Pretty much. But this is gonna be a fun build. And this car I'm gonna keep for a good while, just because I've always wanted a Nismo, just because of the way they look and everything. So yeah, there's an update, guys. I will turn it on for you guys, but the battery's dead and I don't have a jumper or anything. Some little carbon bitch right here too. Yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. It's gonna be videos just about me getting parts, you know, painting up bumpers and stuff like that, and then getting it sent off to the body shop. So yeah, I think this build is gonna take me at least 4-6 months, probably even more, just because I don't want to rush it. Since this is gonna be my car, I don't want to do everything half-assed. I want to do everything the right way with OEM parts. And yeah, this car, when it's done, it's gonna look great. Man, I really like this carbon wing. Looks really good. So yeah, guys,